You mount the stick into this and then you yank it. Just destroy your ground. Oh. Barely even dented it.
How to make your harness quick release.
Safety first. That smells splendid. That plug can come out.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we are officially starting Anthony's drift car build at my parents' house where my S14 is being stored. We're about to take the rear subframe out of this because this is actually out of Anthony's S14. We put it into this the other week so we could actually move it here because this was being stored in the sheds that got knocked down. Taking it out so we can get it in his car and take it to the workshop. Putting Anthony to work.
Me and my broken finger. No, I can't work on crippled.
Sweet, switch.
Oh, cheers.
Yeah, Anthony the dumbass broke his finger the other night.
Yeah, for YouTube purposes, I'm crippled. I can't bend my finger.
So it's a week on now, and we didn't bother filming putting the subframe back in Anthony's S14 and towing it here. However, it is now in the workshop, and we've just put it up on jack stands. We're gonna be doing a bit of work on it tonight. We're gonna be taking the subframes out of it, stripping the interior, and getting it ready to hack up to bits. Today, I went to Ash's, it runs Thrash Garage, and I picked up quite a lot of things. You finally open your Christmas presents to yourself.
Yay. Buy myself Christmas presents because I'm cool like that. Here we have an undisclosed item. Twist method.
Nice new GK Tech handbrake. I'm gonna guess that that's the mount for it.
That is. Nah, it comes with stickers. That's better than like everything I bought. What a GK Tech sticker. You mount the stick into this and then you yank it.
So we also got a brand new clutch master cylinder. We ordered a bunch of other things that Ash didn't have in stock, so they're on their way. But we also got a brand new Wellwood brake master cylinder, so this is going to go on the back of that handbrake. These handbrakes usually come with a cylinder for a dual caliper setup, but we're running a inline setup on this.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because dual caliper's expensive and you don't need it.
Quick release boy.
Quick release boy.
So your fat ass can get in and out of your car easy.
Yeah, I noticed you didn't even use it the other day.
Skinny boy.
And it does the ding, so you know, I'm cool like that now. All the TikTok kids would love me.
I mean, that's really the only reason you brought that, eh?
That's absolutely the only reason I bought it.
I'm gonna say those are the subframe bushes.
They possibly are. Hey now. That's fiberglass. I yeeted it at a steel bonnet.
Solid subframe bushes.
Yes, they make diff extra noisy. Clunks.
So these are your diff bushes. I don't know. We'll have a look at the invoice and get back to you guys. Update, we got so many things, we didn't even know what these were, but these are solid engine mounts. So solid everything. You ready to pull the subframe out that we just put in a week ago?
Joel loves men. Hold up, I'm nearly ready.
What do you got to say about that?
What's going on?
Oh, did you not hear that?
Joel loves men.
Oh, I'm gonna just head out.
Goodbye.
SpongeBob me? Alright, I'm gonna head out.
He'll never insert that. Right, remember kids, don't wear white when working on cars. I am dumb and learned that lesson about 100 times now. Full stop.
It was almost up some camera.
Oh, you're playing in my butt.
I was.
Just destroy your ground. Oh, there's a camera there. What? Why is that not working? Fuck! Where'd that go?
Oh, it's right here.
Thanks, random hand. Oh, well that's the wrong size.
Would you grab a 14?
That's a 14.
You muffed it.
Is it a 12?
It is a 12. His power tools. Use his hand.
I need the extension, and that's not the right size.
I was waiting for that.
Yeah.
I knew exactly what was going to happen as soon as you started getting under the car.
Good thing I've got the extension. Is it a 19?
17.
Close enough. Bit of thread tape and the 19 will work.
It's one way to do it.
That is, you line up your shot and you just give it a mighty whack. Barely even dented it. Just start smashing.
I bet there's going to be a few people mad that we're cutting up this car. Angus came by earlier today. You guys remember Angus? He's doing the roll cage and the tube front and tube rear in this car, and we already knew it was pretty straight, but when me and Angus were looking over it, we actually realized that this car is very straight.
That's why I bought it. And
So-
now we're getting rid of that. Sorry, Sam.
I'm like, I kind of want to give that a go.
I bought it because this was perfect.
We're about to chop it all up.
Yeah. Maybe not. R180.
Yeah. Strong as fuck, G.
Yeah, I reckon I'll run with 550 or she'll be right.
Yeah, mate. She'll be mint.
Couple clutch kicks in. Nah, she'll be fine. This is annoying you.
Mildly. That almost flew out and hit your nuts. How good.
Close. I know we stomped on your boot.
That almost took your fucking shin out. Oh my god.
So anybody want some stock S14 struts?
Too late, they're already going to the junkyard.
Yeah. Now we need positive camber like that. I reckon just like weld a bar from here to here. Just like.
Well, I'm gonna bet that to 17.
Stop discouraging me like that.
Told you.
I don't even know where the 17's gone.
Right there. You might want to grab a spanner to hold the bolt in.
Nah, you gotta trust the process.
Alright, let's see this shit.
Ah, that hurts a lot. I thought I could trust the process. Who needs coilovers when whatever this is?
RFB 101. Wheel nuts on your tyre rod ends.
I'm gonna expose them. Jack, you're an idiot. I wonder if you know where they live in Tokyo. Oh. And now, bum, 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 bum. I may have just violated Joel. He is not going to sleep at night after this. Ha 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 ha.
Fuck, you're a child.
I am though.
True.
Yeah. You're telling me something I already know. Yeah, no, imagine being 18.
I can imagine it was 4 years ago.
Did you have a drift car?
I did actually.
Oh, nice. Did it have a force motor?
Actually, no, I was 19 when I got my drift car.
Ah, you're lacking, mate. Get with the times.
I had a 20 get Safira though.
I had a 700 horsepower rail. You can't beat it. I might have paid more than you've probably spent on almost probably like 3 or 4 cars combined. Because prices.
Yeah, when I was your age, prices were a lot more kinder on the wallet.
Yeah.
When I was 18, I probably could have got a car like yours for 15k.
Imagine that.
Fuck, I wish prices were still like that these days.
Same, but instead I am in crippling debt. Help me, please. That's out. Attempt number 2. Attempt number... Got it.
6 attempts, I think, I counted. How to make your harness quick release.
Safety first. Anybody want to buy a engine harness?
That's not an engine harness, you numbnuts.
Oh,
That's
harness.
That's part of the body loom.
I don't know. Oh my, yeah, no, they're just not. Anybody want a harness for your headlights and other electrical features up the front of the car?
One lady owner, never been touched.
Did, yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's water in that.
I hope you didn't just break your hand doing that.
No. I did break this though. A piece of it just flew off. Right, this is how you strip an interior with Anthony. So what you do, you find the carpet things, pull them up, and you just pull everything with it.
I mean, that's actually probably not the worst idea.
Oh mate, I'm a genius. I know what I got, 30k on the offer. Mint condition glove box for sale, hit me up. Hit Joel up, I don't want to respond to messages. What's still attached? Is there anything attached?
What's...
Oh.
Does this give you anxiety?
I mean, it doesn't, because this is getting pulled out. At any measure, this is getting gonzed. Gonzed. Yeah, that's a new word.
Gonzed.
Yeah. Goodbye, skied.
Well, swap. I'll film you ripping this shit out. Not actually ripping it out, but...
Aw, it's no fun. That plug can come out. That goes into somewhere. None of this matters, right?
You don't need it.
Good.
But I'm sure there's plenty of people on the internet that are going, you arsehole, I could use that.
Do you know what I say to that? Oh, it went between my nail. Oh, that hurt. Fuck. You know what I say to that? That was anticlimactic, but you know. That actually hurt. What a dumbass.
Isn't that the hand you thought you broke the other week too?
And it was a fracture. You can actually feel the bone still poking up.
How good.
Update. We pulled a lot of shit out. We got the carpet. Everything in this pile is junk. A lot of interior bits sitting over there. Some more interior bits. We're about to start ripping out the wiring. Or should I say, cutting out the wiring.
Yeah. That smells splendid. The zip tie one, the grinder can't reach it. Oh, where's that knife gone? I've no idea. It's not that one, is it? Oh god.
Chunky boy.
This is a big chunky boy. That's attached to other shit. Yeah, you're pulling on the same thing. And we're back, time travelling, sick YouTube staff. It's looking like far less of a car. Yeah. Ooh, there's still a headliner. This is going to be some severe weight reduction. I was like, for a second, like, oh no, never mind. Choice. Oh wait, there's one more.
It's like Dragon Ball Z when they do the hand each other and the thing goes.
Kamehameha! By the time we're done with this card, even Joel will be able to bench press it. Somebody with another S14 could use that. They actually can. Just a wee clean.
That's going to wrap this video up here. You guys can look forward to a lot of content to come over the next few months with Anthony's S14. We are going to start cutting it up soon and getting it ready for the cage, the tube front and the tube rear. We're going all out on this car. We're doing a rear mount radiator setup in it and it's going to be absolutely awesome. It's essentially going to be a pro level drift car by the time we're done with it for Anthony's first drift car, which is actually going to be quite funny. He can drive on the sim, which is sick, and I'm going to let him do a few track days in my car, so he's going to get some real world seat time before he actually is able to jump into this. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be cool. I hope you guys are looking forward to it as well. That'll be it for this one. Cheers for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.